Organic versus conventional, the ultimate health showdown for women. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of organic versus conventional foods, focusing on what's best for us amazing women out there. As a doctor, I'm all about empowering you to live your healthiest, happiest life. And that starts with what you put into your body. So buckle up as we break down the science, separate fact from fiction, and uncover whether organic food is truly worth the hype. By the end of this video, you'll be armed with the knowledge to make informed choices for your health. Let's get to it. Nutritional differences. Is organic food more nutritious? All right, let's get down to the nitty-gritty nutrition. We often hear that organic fruits, vegetables, and meats are packed with more vitamins and minerals, but is that really true? Well, the research is actually a bit mixed. Some studies have shown that organic produce can contain slightly higher levels of certain nutrients like vitamin C and antioxidants. This difference might be because organic farming practices like using natural fertilizers and avoiding synthetic pesticides can lead to healthier soil, which in turn can benefit the nutritional content of the food. However, other studies haven't found significant differences in the overall nutritional value of organic versus conventionally grown foods. For example, some studies suggest that organic produce may contain lower levels of nitrates, which can interfere with the absorption of certain nutrients. But here's the bottom line. Whether you choose organic or conventional, the most important thing is to eat a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables, along with other healthy whole foods. Think of it this way. Eating a diverse range of colorful fruits and veggies is like giving your body a rainbow of nutrients. It's about getting a little bit of everything to support your overall health and well-being. So don't stress too much about the organic label. Just focus on filling your plate with a variety of delicious and nutritious foods. Pesticides and chemicals. Unmasking the hidden dangers for women. Okay, let's talk about something that often raises concerns. Pesticides and chemicals. Conventional farming typically uses synthetic pesticides to protect crops from insects and diseases. Now, while these pesticides can be effective, there's growing concern about their potential impact on our health, especially for women. Some studies have linked exposure to certain pesticides with hormonal disruptions, reproductive issues, and even an increased risk of certain cancers. Women are particularly vulnerable to these effects because our bodies are more sensitive to hormonal changes. The good news is that choosing organic foods can significantly reduce your exposure to these potentially harmful chemicals. Organic farming prohibits the use of synthetic pesticides, relying instead on natural methods for pest control. Remember, knowledge is power. By being aware of the potential risks and making informed choices, you can take control of your health and protect yourself and your loved ones. Chapter 3. Cost comparison. Is organic worth the price tag? Let's face it, one of the biggest barriers to choosing organic is the cost. It's no secret that organic foods often come with a higher price tag, but is the extra cost really justified? Well, that's the million-dollar question, isn't it? The truth is, there's no easy answer. Organic farming can be more labor-intensive and produce lower yields, which can contribute to higher prices. But here's the thing. We also need to consider the hidden costs of conventional farming. The use of synthetic pesticides and fertilizers can have negative impacts on the environment, human health, and animal welfare. Costs that aren't always reflected in the price tag. Now, I understand that organic food isn't always accessible or affordable for everyone, and that's okay. The good news is that there are ways to prioritize organic options without breaking the bank. One strategy is to focus on the dirty dozen, a list of fruits and vegetables that tend to have the highest pesticide residues. These include strawberries, spinach, and grapes. Remember, every little bit counts. Even if you can't afford to buy everything organic, making small changes to prioritize certain foods can still make a difference for your health and the environment. Chapter 4. Environmental impact. Organic versus conventional. Which one wins? Now, let's shift gears and talk about the environmental impact of our food choices, because let's be real, our planet's health is just as important as our own. So, how do organic and conventional farming stack up when it comes to sustainability? Well, organic farming is often praised for its eco-friendly practices. Remember those synthetic pesticides and fertilizers we talked about earlier? Well, organic farming says no thanks to those, which is a huge win for our ecosystems. By avoiding these chemicals, organic farming helps protect our soil, water, and wildlife from contamination. Plus, organic farming promotes biodiversity, which is crucial for maintaining healthy ecosystems. It's like creating a vibrant, thriving community of plants and animals instead of a monoculture desert. And that's not all. Organic farming also tends to use less energy and release fewer greenhouse gases, making it a more climate-friendly option. However, it's not a one-sided story. Conventional farming has made strides in recent years to become more sustainable. For example, many farmers are adopting precision agriculture techniques that optimize fertilizer and pesticide use, reducing their environmental impact. The key takeaway here is to be mindful of the footprint we're leaving behind and strive to make choices that support a healthier planet. Chapter 5. Final recommendation, the verdict is in. All right, we've covered a lot of ground today, from nutritional differences to pesticide exposure, cost comparisons, and environmental impact. So, what's the final verdict? Is organic the clear winner, or is conventional the way to go? Well, as with most things in life, the answer is, it depends. There's no one-size-fits-all solution, and the best choice for you will ultimately depend on your individual values, priorities, and budget. If you're able to prioritize organic options, especially for foods on the dirty dozen list, that's fantastic. You'll be minimizing your exposure to potentially harmful chemicals and supporting more sustainable farming practices. However, if organic food isn't always accessible or affordable for you, don't stress. Focus on eating a balanced, nutritious diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, whether they're organic or conventionally grown. The most important thing is to be informed, make conscious choices, and listen to your body. Because at the end of the day, the best diet for you is the one that makes you feel your absolute best. That's a wrap on organic versus conventional. Thanks for sticking with me on this deep dive into the world of organic and conventional foods. I hope you found this video informative and empowering. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. Let us know in the comments what you think about organic versus conventional foods. What are some of your favorite healthy eating tips? Share your thoughts and experiences. I love hearing from you. Until next time, stay curious, stay healthy, and keep rocking it.